What's the meaning of bipartite? Bipartite. Bipartite.
Bipartite. Bipartite. The term bipartite refers to a type of graph or network in which the vertices can be divided into two disjoint sets such that no edges exist between vertices within the same set. In other words, it is a graph that can be partitioned into two subsets such that all edges connect one subset to the other subset. Bipartite graphs find applications in various fields, including computer science, engineering, and social sciences. They are particularly useful in modeling relationships between two different types of entities or objects. Bipartite graphs have been studied extensively, and a variety of algorithms exist for analyzing and manipulating them.